This is a problem of mixture and alligation in which Raman mixes a 20% solution and a 30% solution in the ratio A is to B. Let the concentration of the solution obtained by mixing these two solutions be P. Using alligation will get 20, 30, P A is to B. From here we'll get A by B as 30 minus P upon B minus 20, and it is given that the new solution thus obtained is mixed with an equal quantity of a 60% solution to obtain a 42% milk solution, and we have to find the ratio of A is to B, which means the solution which has concentration as P is mixed with 60% solution to obtain a 42% milk solution. Therefore 60 minus 42 upon 42 minus P will be 1:1. From here P comes out to be 24. Now substituting this value of P in the equation obtained earlier, we'll get A by B as 30 minus 24 upon 24 minus 20, which is 3:2. Therefore option B is the correct answer.